Hey guys, today I'm trying something I wanted to try for a really long time. I'm a massive Pinterest fan. Every time I'm scrolling through Pinterest, I come across these beautiful cookies, and when I click on the pictures, they always turn out to be cake mix cookies. So I'm gonna finally try it because I got sent a cake box mix, Duncan Hines Pink Velvet from Kingdom of Sweets. They are based out here in the UK. They sell American candy, and by the looks of it, they're now selling American cake boxes. This is the Duncan Hines Pink Velvet. It'll be perfect for the pink velvet and white chocolate chip cookies that I've seen on Pinterest. I'll leave the blog to where I found the recipe in the description box below so you guys can make the cookies as well. There's only 4 ingredients: cake box mix, oil, eggs, and chocolate chips. So I think these are going to be really delicious. I'm really intrigued as to see what the texture of the cookies are like. Are they going to be cakey? Are they going to be cookie? Let me know in the comments box down below if you've ever made any of these before. Let's get going. So, pink velvet mix. So all you get in the box is a pack of cake mix. I thought this was gonna be pink. It's pretty white, but I reckon as soon as we get the liquid in there, it's gonna turn pink, especially when we cook them. So let's go opening. Next in goes my vegetable oil and 2 eggs. This is such a quick and easy recipe to whip up. So if this is delicious, this will be a super quick and easy cookie recipe to whip up whenever you need. I'm gonna give this a mix up. Now I can really see that pink starting to form. It must have been a powder food color. I'm excited to see it. I'm in love with this color. It's turned a really lovely shade of pink. It smells really delicious too, so I'm gonna pop in the white chocolate chips. I'm surprised it's actually more like a cookie dough than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be a bit runnier, as that's what happens to cake mixes usually, but we've obviously got less oil than we should. I absolutely love the color the white chocolate chips bring to the mixture. It's a lovely pop of color. Now I've never made these before, so I don't know how much they're going to spread. So I'm going to use my ice cream scoop and put 2 per row. I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. My cookies are out of the oven. I left them on the baking tray to cool for a few minutes, as the blog said. Now I've got 2 very different sizes. This is the cookie I got from my 1 large ice cream scoop, and then this is the cookie that I got from 1 small scoop. I decided to do some small ones just to see what the differences are. And as you can see, this one is super cute. It's like a perfect cookie shape. It looks lovely and perfect, some slightly gold edges. Really nice. Now these ones are a lot bigger. They spread a lot more than I was expecting, but they still look really nice and like a lovely cookie. But the smaller ones are a bit more classic. I love the small ones and how cute they look. I don't think you can beat a giant cookie. So I think actually the larger ones are my favorite. I'm gonna break in and have a try. They're still very soft because they're lovely and warm. I'll break that up. Hopefully I've cooked them for long enough. I was not expecting that texture at all. I thought these were gonna be really cakey, but that first bite was so chewy and delicious. I got so many white chocolate chips, which I absolutely love, but that was so nice. Let me try a bit more. They're still quite soft in the middle and chewy, but that's how I like my cookies. So I only cook them for 12 minutes, and next time I make these, I'll probably only cook them for 12 minutes again. These are so nice. So it's got a crisp edge with a chewy center, and those little pockets of white chocolate are absolutely delicious. I really wasn't expecting this to taste this good, but it really does taste amazing. If you want me to try out any other Pinterest hacks, let me know in the comments box below. So that is how you make cake mix cookies from Pinterest. Easy.